Hello everyone. Question is a key measure of success for the product owner is velocity. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B false. Question is part of the team's definition of done requires creating or updating technical documentation in order to maintain the product or features in the future. The team's technical writer will be on vacation during the sprint. What should you do? Option A encourage the technical writers from other teams to form a specialized team to organize and plan the work for multiple teams. Option B the development team members will write it as they are still responsible for creating the documentation to make the increment done in conformance with their definition of done. Option C wait until the technical writer returns before continuing with related items. Option D complete all development work first while adding technical documentation to the product backlog to be done in a subsequent sprint. Correct answer is option B. Question is a cross-functional development team is defined as option A cross-skilled individuals who are able to do all the work necessary to deliver a shippable increment at the end of the sprint. Option B a team of engineers, testers, business analysts, technical architects, and functional managers. Option C a group of full stack developers shared across multiple teams. Option D a team of skilled developers that can effectively multitask on multiple product backlog items at the same time. Correct answer is option A. Question is the Scrum Master is no longer needed when teams become self-organized. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option B false. Question is what factors are best considered when defining the sprint length? Option A how often team membership changes and the size of the development team. Option B having consistent sprint length across all Scrum teams. Option C the level of expertise over the technology to be used, ability to release an increment to the end users, and the risk of being disconnected from the stakeholders. Correct answer is option C. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe. Question is which of the following are feedback loops in Scrum? Option A daily Scrum, sprint review and sprint retrospective. Option B daily stand-up, sprint review and sprint retrospective. Option C release planning, daily Scrum and sprint review. Option D grooming, daily status and sprint review. Correct answer is option A. Question is what are typical product owner activities during sprint 0? Option A creating a project plan based on the defined timeline. Option B ensuring there is enough work to do for at least 3 sprints. Option C creating user stories based on the requirements document. Option D allocating enough resources before starting sprint 1. Option E there is no such thing as sprint. Correct answer is option E. Question is which of the following are time-boxed events in Scrum? Option A sprint planning. Option B daily Scrum. Option C sprint review. Option D sprint retrospective. Option E all of the above. Correct answer is option E. Question is which statement is correct about the length of the sprints? Option A all sprints must be 1 month or less and it is optimal to have a consistent sprint length. Option B the sprint length is dependent on the development effort forecasted that is amount of items selected during sprint planning. Option C, the sprint length is calculated by aggregating the time required to design, code, and test. Option D, the sprint length is defined by the Scrum Master. Correct answer is option A. Question is the sprint length should be option A, short enough to keep the business risk acceptable to the product owner. Option B, short enough to be able to synchronize the development work with other business events. Option C, no more than 1 month. Option D, all of these answers are correct. Correct answer is option D. Question is the purpose of a sprint is to produce a potentially releasable product increment. Options are true or false. Correct answer is option A, true. You can download the complete list of recently updated contents from the link provided in the description. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.